So how to create a table with the spanning, we'll just see with an example. Okay, so first what you have to do is adim or table. Okay, first you have to go on to start creating with the help of your table tag. Keep writing along with me, start writing along with me, table tag. Okay, then border is must. അത് ഒരു എഴുതി പഠിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ് നിങ്ങളെ കൊണ്ട് ഇപ്പൊ ഞാൻ എഴുതിപ്പിക്കണത്. So keep writing. So border is equal to any value, any non-zero value ആണ് we will be giving. Cell spacing. Keep writing along with me. So these three attributes importantly you should give. Okay, so we always start with the table row. Okay, appa tr koduthu. Then the next is you have to span. Okay, you have to span. So how many number of columns you are spanning? This is the diagram given for you. This is the diagram given for you. I told you the first one will always be your table heading. Appo etra column aanu ivide span aayide? So 1 2 3, and that is how I am giving th. Okay, adu heading aanu span aayukonde I am giving it as th. Ini data aanu span aanu, you have to give it as td. Okay, adu h ano d ano nalladu you refer to the outputs that is given to you and then you do it. Ivide heading aayukonde th call span is equal to 3. Ingane you will be giving it. Okay, so what is that heading given over there? That is number of registered students. Okay, number of registered students. And then I'll close that th. I'll close that th. With this I have come to the end of the row also. In e row idinappuram velladum undo? After this, do you have anything? No, there's nothing over there. So what I'll do is I'll close that row. Okay, I'll close that row. And the next row is opening. Next row open ആവുമ്പോ you should be careful. ഒന്ന് ശ്രദ്ധിക്കൂ. Here two rows. അതായത് ഇവിടെ ഒരു row ഉണ്ട്, ഇവിടെ ഒരു row ഉണ്ട്. These two rows are combined together to form a single cell. അപ്പൊ എന്തായി? You have to write it as tr. ഒരു പുതിയ row open ആവുന്നുണ്ട്. Then the next is table data. Okay, this is table data. Two rows are combined over here. td row span. Row span is equal to 2. Okay, row span is equal to 2. I will give. Row span is equal to 2. I will give. And then what is that main data present over there? That is year. I will give. Okay, and then I'll close that table data. Okay, along with that or data matramanu now it is closed. Now you have to go on to the enter this row of data also. That is 2014. That is first year kodukumba, that will automatically move on to that first row itself. Appa first row correspondence what are the other data available ennulladum koodi you have to be careful. Shraddhikya എന്നിട്ട് ആ ഡേറ്റാസും കൂടി കൊടുക്കുക. So td what is it? 2014 and then sorry td then once again what is the other data present? This next lines lu kodukata, nothing wrong in going with the same line. Okay, the next data is td. What is the data present there? That is 75. Then I'll close that. I'll give it over here. Okay, in idodu kudi this row is over. With this row is over. Appa row close cheyidu. Then the next row you have to open it. In ee row onnu shraddhikkanam, that is year nu parayanathu it has been combined. These two rows are combined. Appa when it has been combined, that is already given with the first row. Appa inipa again this year ennulla value you need not give it once again. Okay, so the next data, next set of data what you need only has to be given. So the next set of data and that I have to give it as td. What is it? 2015. And then I'll close that td. And then the next data, what is it? td. What is the data? That is 88 is given there. Then I'll close that table data. And then I'll close TR, and then ella TR കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് I should close the table tag also. Okay, after all the rows are over, I should close the table tag also. Okay, now I have closed it. I have saved my file. I'll open my HTML file also, and then I will refresh it. Okay, can you see this? So you have to do your spanning very correctly. Okay, spanning nammal correct ആയി ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ you will get the correct output also. If you have gone wrong, you will not get the desired output. Can you see the spanning? If nammal ee ചെയ്ത ee program the output is present over here. Okay, can you see this output? So this is how spanning will be done. Is it clear? So book in your example into a program, and if I go on to sit and type that, it takes up a long time. I'll just explain you that program alone. Okay, a program and I'll just explain to you. By the time I could type, it takes a long time. Now you would have understood how spanning is done. I'll just explain that program alone for you. Okay, otherwise it takes a long time to type that program. Clear? So I'll just explain for you. So now listen. Now listen to this program. ഞാൻ പറയുന്ന ഓരോ പോയിന്റും please listen very carefully how the spanning goes. Okay. കാരണം ഈ program once it was asked for a 5-mark question. So if you go wrong with the spanning, entire 5 marks you will be losing. Okay. So that is why I'm explaining it for you. So kindly listen. So this part of creating a table, this and all you are familiar now. Border in your color veno, you can go on to give the color. Okay, nothing wrong in it. Okay, so those colors and all you can give background color what you want, then alignment, cell spacing, cell padding, width and the vendor, all these you have decided, you have learned. So this part you will not have a doubt. So the next part is, so like this you will receive an output. Okay, the same or a table structure you will get. You have to understand it very carefully, and you have to do it. In ഇവിടെ they have given you border color as red. അപ്പൊ നമുക്ക് as such in our question paper നമുക്ക് ഈ red color ഒന്നും കാണില്ല. So at that time what they will do is they will specify that in the question. Give the border color as red എന്നുള്ളത് they will specify in the question in word format. Okay, words ആയിട്ട് തന്നിട്ടുണ്ടാവും. So you have to understand that and do it. Okay. So here now your table is created. Now first we have to move on to the row. So appa TR open chedu. Okay, now come to this first row. Idana first row. Okay, so now ശ്രദ്ധിക്കുക how many columns are there. എവിടെയെങ്കിലും columns combined ആണെങ്കിൽ leave off that row. Column combine ആവാത്ത വല്ല rows ഉണ്ടോന്ന് ശ്രദ്ധിക്കുക. Columns combine ആവാത്ത rows ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ശ്രദ്ധിക്കുക. അപ്പൊ go to that particular row and find out how many number of columns are there. So the row edukumbo again 2 columns are combined. So I cannot take up this row. Apo how will I take next row likku varana? But here rows are only combined, so no problem. Okay, here only the row is combined, so no problem. But I have my column here. Column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns are there. So these 5 columns are combined together, and that is how I got this value of 5 over here. And that is how I got the value of 5 over here. And I wrote the heading as number of cancer patients reported at the hospital. അതിനുള്ള ഒരു heading ആണ് ഇവിടെ ഞാൻ കൊടുത്തിട്ടുള്ളത്. With that, that row is over. ഇതോടുകൂടി ഇവിടെ ഈ row കഴിഞ്ഞോ? So with this row has ended. I have given my close th tag also. Okay. Close th as well as close tr tag also. Adodugudi a row end I, so I given close tr tag. The next is tr align equal to center. All these are your choice. Okay, all these are your choice. Next, come here. Come to the next row. Up ivide endai only 2 columns are combined. Only 2 columns are combined. What is it? 1, 2. How did I come to know? 1, 2. Only these 2 columns are combined. So up endu cheyunu, I can give it as heading. Adu heading aayittu venamengil give that as th tag. Okay, നിങ്ങൾക്ക് പറയുന്ന കണ്ടന്റ്സ് എല്ലാം ഹെഡിങ് ആയിട്ട് വേണമെങ്കിൽ നോ കമ്പൽഷൻ അത് ഫസ്റ്റ് റോ മാത്രമേ ഹെഡിങ് ഉണ്ടാവാൻ പാടുള്ളൂ എന്നുള്ള ഒരു കമ്പൽഷനും ഇല്ല. Wherever you want to create it as headings, you know the difference between what is a heading tag and what is a data tag. If you want that content to be placed as a heading, use th tag wherever it is necessary. മനസ്സിലാവുന്നുണ്ടോ? If you want to give any content as a main heading for that table, appo aa sthalathu in those places give it as th tag. Is it clear? Appo I want this year to be given as heading. So what I'll do is our call span is 2. Engane kitti? This is one column, this is another column. So I got the call span as 2 and year I have given. So I have closed the heading. The remaining in ബാക്കിയുള്ള headings എന്താ 2012, 2013 and 2014. These also I have given it as headings. Okay, idum njan heading aita kodutittulladu. So the remaining also I have given it as headings. Okay, so the remaining I have given as headings. Appo ee 2014 odu kudi this row has ended. With this row has ended. So I have closed my row. I have closed my row. Is it clear? Idil endengilu doubt undo? This is part clear? So now the next row opens. Now be careful. The next row opens. Now be careful. നമ്മളിപ്പോ third row ലേക്കാണ് വരുന്നത്. Now what happens you see. ഇവിടെ എത്രയോ rows ആണ് ഇവിടെ span ആയിട്ടുള്ളത്. So number of rows are combined together. So how many rows are combined together? Now I'll come over here and count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows are combined together. And that is how I got the value for row span as 4. And that is how I got the value for row span as 4. Appo row span 4. Appo ivide itra 4 row combine ayalum what did I tell? This value will automatically will move on to the first position. Okay, idu eppozhum data aayittu entry cheyyumbo this will move on to the first position. എന്നിട്ട് the remaining headings or data present over there adinum ee role thanne combined aayittu koduthu pogum. Okay, the remaining what you want to have it as headings aano ini data aayitano whatever it is depending upon the question given to you, analyze and find out, and this will go on along with this particular item itself, table item itself. Appo row span cancer origin koduthu. The next is smokers ennullathu kodukunu. Okay, then the next is set of datas. Be careful. Be careful. The next is set of datas. Here one thing is left out. Okay, ivide oru particular data ivide left out aayi book il ulla oru mistake aanadu. So kindly correct it. 129 ennulla data is left out. Okay, so kindly correct it. Okay, 129 will come over here. Then 140, 143. Okay, please correct it in your textbook. Okay, textbook la engane there was a mistake. That is how here a blank space is seen. Okay, adu correct cheyidolu ട്ടോ. So here the remaining are datas. How did I find out that these are datas? I have told you headings are always bold and centered. Headings are always bold and centered. Table datas are unbolded. Table datas are always unbolded. Appo adukondana the remaining are datas ennallathu I am telling you. Okay, so appo next 143 odu kudi this row has ended. Idodu kudi row end aayille. So with this the row has ended. I have closed my row. Then the next is tr align. So tr align le next vannu. Okay, align equal to center. Next row open aayi. Okay, the next th is equal to pan users I have given. th le pan users aanu koduthulladu. What happened to my cancer origin? This has already moved on to the first position. Appo again and again repeated aayittu ivide kodukanda oru need illa. Okay, again and again repeatedly you need not give it over here. So I'm moving on to the next as heading. I want the span users as a heading, so I have given it as heading over here. Then the next is 3 set of data. 3 set of data, 54, 56 and 59 are set of data alone. So that I have given. Okay, okay, it's a little bit hidden over here. It is present over here. Okay, 59 ivide in the it's hidden over here because of screen sharing. So the next, with this 59, this row has ended. So I have closed my row. With this, I have closed my row. The next row I have opened. The next row I have opened. Similarly, cancer origin has already moved over here. So again, I need not give once again. Okay, What I do is I'll go on from alcohol uses. It is treated as a heading. Then the next set of data I have given over here. With this 77, this row is ended. So I have closed my row. Next, TR align. Okay. Again the same way. Other cases, the set of data with 92, my row has ended. I have closed my row. Now come to the last row. TR align is equal to center. TR call span is equal to 2. How did I get call span is equal to 2? This is one column and this is one column. So 2 columns. So these 2 columns are combined together to give that heading. That heading item kodutittulladu. Okay. So that is why TH tag is used. So I'm giving it as total patients. Okay. With that, the heading is over. The remaining set of data are present over here. So these data I have given. So with this, I have come to the end of the row. So I am closing that row and this is end of your table. So after you create all the rows, you have to close the table. So like this, if you write this coding, you will get this answer. Okay, like this, you will get the output. If you go wrong with any of your spanning, you will not get the same output itself. Spanning values row span column span column row like this. If you go on to make any mistakes, you will not get the answers as required. Okay. So when you get these kind of questions and all, you will be getting it. Only the output will be given to you in your question paper. You have to write the Akka coding correctly. Is it clear? So this is how we do our spanning. Is it clear? So the next we'll move on. Okay. The next one is giving a caption. Okay. Giving a heading for your table. Giving a heading for your table. Okay. So that is done with the help of your caption tag. That is done with the help of your caption tag. So caption tag is a paired tag. Caption tag is a paired tag. So you can see caption, close caption. This is a paired tag. I have given the heading as number of new cancer patients reported at the hospital during 2012 to 14. But this is present here. Okay. Table in the ullilana we will be giving. So to give a heading for the table or to give a title for the table, the tag used is your caption tag, which is a paired tag, So I'll write like this, caption like this. Okay. So caption tag, I'll be writing it like this. I'll give the content over here and I will go on to include it in my program. So this is how your caption tag is being used. So